terrifying. It was so terrifying it made me scream. And I just had a moment of complete breakdown, inability to deal with the situation.
Who wants to know? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm Candy. Candleson.
Yeah.
Somebody is obviously flying this thing. Work for the U.S. government. I was studying things. I can't tell you about.
What's with?
When the ancient Greeks knew of a coming attack, they would take their most valuable citizens, put them in chariots, and send them to safety.
Most
35 million in losses.
4 companies and $35 million. And this is the only evidence that you have.